In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI image generator. This powerful tool allows you to create stunning visuals efficiently and with ease, leveraging the capabilities of artificial intelligence. Whether you're designing a poster, social media graphic, or any other visual content, this guide will help you harness the full potential of Canva's AI features in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, head over to Canva and open it up. If you don't already have an account, signing up is straightforward and free. For those who are already registered users, simply log in to get started. Once you're in, you can either create a new file or open an existing one. This is entirely up to your preference and the project you're working on. Once you're situated in the Canva dashboard, look to the side panel and find the button labeled Apps. Clicking on this will open a variety of tools that Canva offers. What we're interested in today is the AI image generation feature, so you'll want to search for Magic Media or AI Image Generator within this section. These are the tools powered by AI that allow you to create images from scratch by simply typing in what you envision. After locating Magic Media or the AI image generator, you will see a prompt box. This is where the magic begins. Describe what you want to bring to life in words. You might want to create a colorful sunset over a serene ocean, or perhaps a futuristic cityscape. The clearer and more detailed your description, the better the AI can visualize and generate the image according to your needs. It's a good idea to experiment with various descriptions to see what best meets your vision. Next, you'll have the option to choose a style for your image. Canva offers a range of styles that you can apply to tailor the generated image to suit your aesthetic preferences. Whether you're after a minimalist look or something more vibrant and abstract, there is likely a style that fits your project perfectly. With your description and style in place, it's time to click the Generate Image button. Canva's AI will then get to work processing the information and creating an image based on your inputs. This process is quick, and before you know it, you'll have a unique visual ready to enhance your project. Finally, once your image is complete and you're satisfied with the result, it's time to download or export your design. Canva gives you the flexibility to save your creations in various formats such as JPG, PDF, or PNG, which you can then use across different platforms or for printing. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've used Canva's AI image generator to create a stunning visual with little effort. Experiment, explore, and have fun with this incredible tool.